Outdoor summer gadgets. This table is perfect for tailgating and camping. It has a slot for food baskets you can store your snacks and 4 cup holders for your drinks. It has an insulated cooler at the bottom that holds many cans and bottles and zips right up, and it has a carry bag as well. And this table mounts your car's tire without any tools and gives you a place to eat when you're camping or tailgating. Summer outdoor gadgets. If you love being in the water but don't get shade, these inflatable floaties inflate in seconds and easily attach to almost any canopy and allow you to bring shade directly onto the water so you can stay in the pool for as long as you want. You can even use these outdoors as well. These sting zappers provide relief from jellyfish stings, and this shower head attaches to any bottle and allows you to rinse sand off your feet. Loved and hated product I've ever featured. And I'm giving away 2 of these Blackstone E-Series griddles, one on my TikTok and one on my Instagram. Happy 4th of July. To celebrate, I'm giving away 2 of these. All you have to do is tag your friend who always takes the last piece of food and doesn't even ask.
手机壳后面3连钱了，这是抖音上爆火的磁吸手机壳，超级抗摔耐用，就连我家的小刀都划不破，而且还能防水防油污，最重要的是还有防偷窥功能。公共场合怕别人偷瞄你密码的，可以试一试。
Saw this everywhere, so I had to get it.
You are totally incorrect. You are totally incorrect. And I will not debate you because you don't have my expertise. You don't have my credentials. You don't have my experience. You don't have my back.
He comprado este pelador eléctrico que me ha hecho la vida mucho más fácil. Funciona con pilas y solo debes insertar la fruta o verdura que quieres pelar y te la pelará entera sin tener que hacer ningún esfuerzo. Es cómodo y su tamaño es pequeño, por lo que no estorbará en tu cocina. Es un succionador de poros. Tiene 3 cabezales para succionar muy en profundidad las impurezas de tu rostro y eliminar completamente los puntos negros que tienes dentro de la piel. Tiene hasta 4 niveles de potencia y es muy satisfactorio irlo pasando por tu piel, ya que va dejándola lisa y te sentirás bien a gustito. Digo tu cara, claro. Esta es una super mini cámara espía. Podrás ponerla donde quieras y por su tamaño tan mini nadie se dará cuenta de que está. Podrás espiar a quien sea y además tiene audio. Sí, podrás descubrir esa cosa que tanto sospechabas. Funciona con una mini tarjeta multimedia y su calidad es increíble.
Amazon Kitchen Finds. If you have loads of pans cluttering up your kitchen, then you need this. You can cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner with it, but you can also use it to roast and bake stuff in the oven. I love it because it's freed up so much space in my cupboards and it's easy to clean.